Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate you a video tutorial on how to create a material for teaching and learning using the thinklink.com platform. The first thing to do is to enter this platform using your browser. Here we can see my account. You can create your own account for free and use it for free as well. To create a material, we should click on the button Create, and here you can see different opportunities to create different materials like images, infographics, presentations, and so on. The thing that I'm going to show you is how to use images for developing teaching and learning materials. Let's click on image and click on the continue button. Here we can see a folder. Let's click on it and we can see different files on our laptop or computer. Let's choose an image or photo that we are going to use for your own material. In my case, it's this picture of the house. It's already on the platform. Let's click on the continue and let's choose this picture again. Now we can add and create a material here on this platform. Let's click on the button edit, a picture of the pencil. Click, and here you can see different options: add tag, settings, and done. Let's click on add tag. So imagine that I'm going to teach a topic, a house, and I'm going to teach different kind of vocabulary and word list to my students using this picture. Here we can see a hotspot. We can move it. Let's put it on the bed and write the name of the stuff. We should choose add text and media and write on the description part a bed, and done. When your student opens this hotspot, he or she can see that this is a bed, and in this way he or she can learn vocabulary. It may be used for any kind of topic and for any kind of language learning processes and language teaching processes. In our case, it's English, of course. So let's add another tag, add tag, and here we can see another hotspot. Let's put it on the sofa and add a description, add text and media. Click on it and write the name of the thing on the description part, a sofa, and click on done button. Done. Your student can open this button as well, hotspot, and can see the name of the stuff and learn in this way. Thank you for your attention. Use this program for effectiveness during your teaching processes and learning processes as well.
Is it visible, Galiya?
Yes.
Okay, let's get started in this case. So the technological tool that we have chosen is called ThinkLink, and there are 3 group members: Orasta, Galiya, and Khusniyakhon. Okay, let's get started. And according to our plan, we are going to look through 4 areas. The first one we're going to talk about with ThinkLink, and second one we'll give some instructions about how to use this. And third part, we are going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of this app. And in the fourth part, we are going to talk about the implementation of this app within the classroom use.
So ThinkLink is a powerful way to use technology to make education more engaging. It allows teachers to turn any image, video, or 360-degree interactive shot into a learning experience. The power of ThinkLink is in its ability to pull in so many forms of rich media by adding tags. Link to a useful website, add in your own vocal prompt, place images within videos, and more. Over 4 million teachers and students use this app for educational purposes. It can be downloaded on our mobile phones and computers as well.
Okay, let's go to fun facts. There are several like facts that we found really funny. The first one is this app was created by Finnish Ulla Maria Koivala, and it was created in 2010. And since this time, it has been used in educational establishments. And second one is about here, with the help of this app, you can create more than 20 educational contents. And third fact that we found is it's completely free and you don't have to pay for the usage of this app. And the last one, the idea of using this app came from connecting the objects in our physical environment to the digital information.
Instructions to enter the app. So first one, you should go to thinklink.com and get started. Then create your own account and select the free student option. Then you can sign up for ThinkLink via a Facebook, Google, or Twitter accounts, or create a separate ThinkLink account.
When you are creating ThinkLink account, you need to go to thinklink.com and you should create your own account. When you are creating your account, you should use your username and password. And this account is mostly for students. So we are talking about school loop. And the last part, if you have a mobile phone, you can add a node with your ThinkLink login information. And if you're talking about the advantages, let's say drawbacks and benefits of this app, the first one is you can create different types of presentation formats, and it can be used for online media service. And another advantage is that except for English language here, you can find more than 30 languages. And as it's the cloud-based service, you don't have to download your creation. You will just go directly to your account and you will find your creation, and yes, here you can use it. And the last one is that there is an opportunity to comment or share a link, and the users may follow you. But as this word is two sides here, we can find some limitations, let's say drawbacks of this app. First one, when you're if you are going to register your original content, you have to add, if you're registering, you have to add original content, and that there is no filter system, and there are some problems with the copyright issues, privacy, and internet safety issues.
Let's consider some implementations of ThinkLink in the classroom. This ThinkLink was chosen to prepare materials for instruction, mainly introduce interesting facts about wild animals and animal sound song with children of 8 and 9 years old. The topic was wild animals. So it is an interactive image of the zoo with wild animals and colorful icons on each of them, where students can choose any hotspot and click on it and read or listen to interesting facts about their favorite animal. Moreover, we can add any text of YouTube videos or from other websites. Another usage of ThinkLink is about sites of London. It can be implemented with pre-intermediate students of 13, 14 age old. And ThinkLink was chosen to prepare materials for instruction, introduce London sites via YouTube video, and raise students' awareness of the historical facts. So it is virtual tour of London, and there are many hotspots with interesting facts, and students can click on icons to read or listen to information. Here you can see the link, which will lead you to the website directly.
Okay, so that was the end of our presentation. If you have any questions, you can go to YouTube channel and you can give your questions. Thank you.
Thank you.